How to sign out of Messenger on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Messenger application. So all you have to do is to go here to your Messenger application, and it will lead you directly to your chat section, right? Basically all the chats, the messages that you have. Now on the upper left, you will see three dash lines there. Tap on that. And on the right side, you will see the gear icon. Tap on that. And it will lead you to your settings. Now, if you scroll all the way down here, you won't be able to see log out account. So that means Messenger has actually removed the feature of logging out or signing out of Messenger. But what you can do is you can go here to your account center here and then tap on under account settings, tap on password and security, and under security check section, you will see where you are logged in. Tap on that and tap on Facebook. Now here, as you can see, logins to other device, you will see all the devices that you have signed in to. So you have to look for device that your account is currently logged in. And let's say this one is currently logged in here. Just tap on that and tap on log out. And then confirm log out. And here you have successfully logged out on iPhone 11. And basically that is how you sign out of Messenger on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.